Hello everyone, welcome to Science Express. Today our topic is animal tissue. Okay, now start the lecture. At first discuss about the tissue. Tissue is a group of cells when they function together, that is called tissue. Now discuss about the classification of animal tissue. Animal cells vary in their structure and shape according to the function they perform. Accordingly they are classified. First one, epithelial tissue, then connective tissue, muscular tissue and nervous tissue. Okay. In this lecture we will be discuss about the epithelial tissue. Okay. Now first discuss about the characteristics features of epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue cover the external surface of the body and lines the internal free surface of the hollow visceral organ. That means internal organ. Okay. The cells are arranged compactly with the little extracellular material. Then the adjacent cells are linked by cell junction. Okay. Three major cell junction are found. One is called tight junction, then gap junction and adherence junction. Okay. Epithelial cell rest on a non-cellular basement membrane and receive nutrients from the underlying connective tissue. Okay. These are the features of epithelial tissue. Now discuss about the types of epithelial tissue. Two major types of epithelial tissue are found. One is called simple epithelium and another one is called squamous epithelium. Okay. Now first discuss about the simple epithelium. A simple epithelium is an epithelial tissue made up of only one layer of epithelial cell. Okay. So features of simple epithelium is it is a one layer of epithelial cell. Okay. These cells are direct contact with the basement membrane. The simple epithelial tissue may be further classified histologically according to the shape of the cell that comprises it. The first type is the squamous, then columnar, cuboidal, ciliated and granular. Squamous means it is a flat cell, columnar means it is a tall cell, cuboidal means it is a cubical cell, ciliated means it may be columnar or cuboidal but it consists cilia over the cell. Okay, and granular types. Okay. Now first discuss about the simple squamous epithelium. Okay. The cells are thin, flat and have a irregular boundaries. Okay. So no proper boundaries are present, their boundaries are irregular manner. Okay. Some typical locations are it found inner lining of alveoli, the lungs. Okay. Blood vessels, that is called endothelium, body cavities, that is called mesothelium and Bowman capsules. Okay. It is a part of kidney nephron. Now discuss about the function of simple squamous epithelium. It is involved in the formation of diffusion, boundary exchange, barrier in central nervous system and exchange and lubrication barrier. Okay, these are the major function of simple squamous epithelial tissue. Okay, so location are mainly inner lining of the alveoli, blood vessels and body cavities, and function, main function is the diffusions boundary and exchange barrier in central nervous system and exchange and lubrication barrier. Okay, these are the major function of squamous epithelium tissue. Now discuss about the another type, simple cuboidal epithelium. Okay, here cell are cubical type. The cell appear cubical in vertical section. Okay, in the picture we can easily understand this is the picture of simple cuboidal epithelial tissue. Okay. Now discuss about the location. It is found in the smaller duct of salivary and pancreas gland and in the thyroid follicles, surface of ovary and kidney tubules. These are the major location of cuboidal epithelium tissue. Now discuss about the function. Its main functions are secretion and absorption. Okay. Now discuss about the simple columnar epithelium tissue. Okay. These cells are tall, cylinder and pillar-like with one oval nucleus at the base of the cell. Okay. So from the picture we can easily understand these are the picture of simple columnar epithelium tissue. Okay. Location, it is found in the inner surface of stomach, gallbladder, intestine, gastric gland and intestinal gland. Okay. These are the major location of simple columnar epithelial tissue. Now discuss about the function. It also help in absorption and secretion. Okay. Now discuss about the ciliated epithelium. It consists of columnar or cuboidal epithelium cell which bear cilia on the free surface. Okay, so these are the cilia over the cell. Okay, it may be columnar or cuboidal, but presence of cilia is the must in case of the ciliated epithelial tissue. Okay, now location, it is found in the fallopian tube, bronchioles and nasal passage. Okay, these are the major location of ciliated columnar or cuboidal epithelial tissue. Function, the cilia help in the movement of ova in case of fallopian tube, mucus in the nasal passage in a particular direction. Okay, these are the major function of ciliated epithelial tissue. Now discuss about the glandular epithelium. Those columnar or cuboidal cell which are specialized for secretion constitute glands. Okay, typically glands are classified into two major groups according to their product are released. Okay, one type is the exocrine gland and another type gland is called endocrine gland. So glandular epithelium are major two type, exocrine gland and endocrine gland. Okay. Now first discuss about the exocrine gland. They have duct or tubes to pour their secretion into a particular tissue or organ. Okay, so ducts may convey the secreted material in an unaltered form or may modify the secretion by concentrating or adding or reabsorbing constitute substance. Okay, so in this gland duct are present. Okay, they secrete mucus, saliva, digestive enzyme, earwax, milk, oil, etc. Okay, these are the major secretion of exocrine gland. Okay, here discuss about the exocrine gland have three basic release mechanism. Okay, for secretory product. The first type is called merocrine secretion. Another type is called apocrine secretion, then holocrine secretion. Okay, now discuss one by one. The first is called merocrine secretion. The secretory product is delivered in the membrane bound vesicle to the apical surface of the cell. Example, this type of gland is called salivary gland. Okay, so merocrine secretion, the secretory product is delivered in the membrane bound vesicle to the apical surface of the cell. Okay, example is salivary gland. Salivary gland secrete the enzyme amylase. Okay, these enzymes are helpful for digestion of starch in the mouth. Okay, now discuss another secretion type is called apocrine secretion. The secretory product is released in the apical portion of the cell surrounded by a thin layer of cytoplasm with an envelope of plasma membrane. Okay, example mammary glands, mole glands of the eyelid and ceruminous gland of the external auditory meatus. Okay, so in case of the apocrine secretion, the secretory product is released in the apical portion of the cell surrounded by a thin layer of cytoplasm within envelope of plasma membrane. Example is mammary gland. Okay, now discuss about the holocrine secretion. The secretory product accumulate within the maturing cell which simultaneously undergoes programmed cell death. Okay, these are the type of holocrine secretion. Example, sebaceous gland of skin and tarsal gland of eyelids. These are the major two example of holocrine secretion. Okay, exocrine gland are classified as either unicellular or multicellular on the presence or number of cell. Okay, now first discuss about the unicellular gland. Unicellular gland are the simplest in structure. The secretory component consists of a single cell distributed among other non-secretory cell. Example, goblet cell. Okay. Now discuss about the multicellular gland. In case of the multicellular gland are composed of more than one cell. Example, lining of the stomach and its gastric pits. Okay, so multicellular gland are found in the gastric pits. Okay. Now discuss another type of gland is endocrine gland. These are the gland which do not have a duct and pour their secretion directly into the blood. Okay, so it is a ductless gland and secrete their secretory product directly into the blood. Okay, the product of endocrine gland are called hormones. Okay, these type of gland are example thyroid gland, pituitary gland and pancreatic gland. These are the major example of endocrine gland. Okay, and major secretory product of the endocrine gland are called hormones. Okay. Now discuss about the another type of epithelial tissue, that is called stratified epithelium. Okay, it consists of more than one layer of cell. Okay, in case of the simple epithelium we can see that there is only one layer of cell, but in case of stratified epithelium we found that more than one layer of cell. Okay, the main function of compound epithelium is to provide protection against chemical and mechanical stress. Okay, and stratified epitheliums are four types. Okay, types are stratified squamous epithelium, stratified columnar epithelium, stratified cuboidal epithelium and transitional epithelium. These are the major types of stratified epithelium. Okay. Now at first discuss about the stratified squamous epithelium. Stratified squamous epithelium consists of multiple layers with squamous cell at the apical surface. Okay, and major function of this type of epithelium is the protection. Now discuss about the location. Location are the mouth, esophagus and skin. Two type of stratified squamous epithelium are, first one is called keratinized, that mainly found in the skin, and another type is called non-keratinized, that cover the mucosa. Okay, and this is the picture of stratified squamous epithelium. Okay, cell are mainly flat types. Okay. Now discuss about the stratified cuboidal epithelium tissue. Okay, stratified cuboidal epithelium consists of a multiple layer of cell where the outermost cell layer is cuboidal in shape. Okay, from the picture we can easily understand these are the picture of stratified cuboidal epithelium. Okay, now discuss about the location. Found in a conjunctiva of eyes, lining of duct of sweat gland and salivary gland and also urethra. These are the major location of stratified cuboidal epithelium. Now discuss about the function. Protection against mechanical and chemical stress. Okay, these are the major function of stratified cuboidal epithelium. Now discuss another type is called stratified columnar epithelium. Okay, stratified columnar epithelium consists of multiple layer of cell where the outermost layer of the cell are columnar in shape, actually tall in shape, and middle layer is cuboidal. Okay, so these are the cuboidal shape and upper layer is called columnar in shape. These are the picture of stratified columnar epithelium. Okay. Location, lining of vasa differentia of testis, okay, and respiratory tract. These are the major location of stratified columnar epithelium. Lining of vasa differentia and respiratory tract. Function, secretion of fluid and protection from mechanical and chemical stress. These are the major function of stratified columnar epithelium. Okay. Now discuss about the transitional epithelium. Consists of layer of cells which are similar in size and may be flattened at the top and have capability to modify the shape. Okay, these are the major features of transitional epithelium. Location, urinary bladder ureter, renal, pelvis. These are the major location of transitional epithelium. Okay, these are the picture of transitional epithelium. Okay, now discuss about the function. Expansion of the organ, prevent loss of water from blood and prevent escape of urine to surrounding tissue. These are the major function of transitional epithelium tissue. Okay. Thanks for watching. Please do like, comment, share and subscribe Science Express.